How to resize video in CapCut Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now also make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device just to make sure that you have a stable and smooth operation of the application. Next, all you have to do is tap on the option of new project or over here. So tap on new project, and as you do that, it will land you to any of the videos that you have. So you can just select any of the project that you would want to resize. So I'm going to select this one over here very randomly and then tap on add. As you do that, you'll be able to see different menus over here at the bottom of the screen. So what you simply need to do is tap on the video once, and as I tap on the video, just swipe the options at the bottom. So here you can just see the option of transform. So tap on resize. And as you tap on resize, you can just create any sort of sizes of your video over here. And that's how you'll be able to resize your video in CapCut Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.